everyone. I wanted to send you an update on some things that I've made changes to. I did go over this in our Zoom meeting, but I know not everyone was there. I'm also making this as a reminder. The first place you want to go is to my Padlet page. Remember, it's padlet.com/missvitale/4th grade. This is in the kids' agendas, and they know how to get here as well. At the very top, we have the online learning notebook. Their class login is firstname.lastname@students.codpage12.org, and their password is read. I also have my YouTube channel where I have a bunch of videos, the read alouds that I have done for every chapter, and also updated directions, which I will be posting after this video. So on Padlet, there will be a weekly update of everything to do. This is also in the notebook, but it's here as well if needed. There's USA test prep, and then links to every single page. When you go into each page, there is a link for each unit. This is really great, especially for math resources. So example, if we go to the math page, there's an online math textbook, which I will show you in a few minutes. But when we scroll down right now, we're working on geometry. So there are links and videos to everything here. So there's review. This is great. There's videos over each topic that you can go over. I have shown these to the kids, but this is for you to see as well. So if we go back, we want to start with the online notebook. The kids will have to log in, but I'm already logged in, so mine will go right there. This is what they will see when they get in. You have two options on the side. You have a collaboration space and content library. They will also see their name, however, I have access to everyone's. In the collaboration space, the kids will be able to post questions that they have, and when I respond, I'm highlighting my responses so they know that I have seen them. I'm also clearing them once I have talked to the kiddos and know that they have seen my response. Also, project ideas. If kids have any ideas or things they want me to make, they can post them here. In the content library, this is where you will see the online learning overview and extension projects. Let's start with online learning. Here's where you will find everything important. Again, another link to my YouTube channel, a link to my Padlet, both of which I've just shown you, and then other websites that are helpful. Cobb County, Blackwell website, 4th grade blog, Media Center, Counselor Specials, ESOL, and the online textbook. The online textbook is very helpful for all students. You can actually get to this if you have students in other grade levels as well. You can click on this link, and it will bring you to math, social studies, science, other digital resources, everything you need. For 4th grade math, we use McGraw-Hill Math. So this is their online textbook that they need. They can see their exact pages online as well as additional videos, additional practice, and some games. So this is where they should go. If you have kiddos that are in different grade levels, all you have to do, if you go to the Cobb County website, go to Parents, Digital Textbooks. So Cobb County, Parents, Digital Textbooks. And this will take you to every grade level that you have. So I clicked on 3rd grade through 5th grade, and it brought us right to 4th grade. So that's how you get there as well. So if we go back to our online notebook, we have an overview for every week. This week is week 4, April 13th through 17th. So again, you see the outline. Cobb County has now decided that we're going to 4 days of instruction, and then Friday is a catch-up day. This is where students can work on anything that they have not yet finished. They can work on extension activities, STEM challenges, or just enjoy their day at home. I have made some additional extension projects for them. So again, if you go over in the content library and you click on extension projects, you will find all of these. These are all additional. These are not graded. But these are content standards that we would have been doing if we were physically at school. So again, there's a Flipgrid every week. If you click on the PDFs, it will download it onto your device or on your computer, and then you can actually click on all of the links that show up. So this takes you on how to do a Flipgrid, and the kids have used this at school, so they already know how to record these videos as well. So there's one posted for every single week. Some of them are for me to see what they're working on, and then other ones are just for fun. There is a light project for Sway. So our last science unit is on light. So this is how to log into a Sway. It's kind of like a PowerPoint. The kids have done this many times in class, so they do know how to make these, and they're really good actually. There's some key vocabulary questions, and then once you download this, you can click on every blue link and it takes you to Nearpods, vocabulary videos, study jam videos, songs, and then how to share them. So this is on light. Make sure the kids share it when they're done, and it will send it directly to me, and we can share it on our Zoom meetings. I also have one for geometry. This week we're wrapping up our geometry unit. So same type of thing. They can log on, go to a Sway. There's keywords that we've been working on, a bunch of resources. These are the same that are on the math page, that are in each week under their content library, but I posted it here so they don't have to keep flipping back and forth as well. And make sure they share it when they're done. For STEM projects, this is from Cobb STEM. So if you click on the first one, it takes them to a ton of different resources provided by the county. Some of these they've used before, some of them have not. But these are really cool coding things, different ideas to do at home that you don't need a ton of supplies for. You might notice that some of them you do need supplies, so maybe don't pick that one if you don't have certain things at home. There's also the 3rd through 5th blog. It gives just kind of an overview. And then there's an activity chart for enrichment. Again, these are all extra. There's also a writing prompt. So these are finish the story writing prompts. So there's 20 different stories they can read through. They're very short passages, and then they can write it out. They can type this in their Office 365 account under Word, or they can write it on a piece of paper. They can get creative and make a video of their responses, finishing their story, acting it out. Again, this is all an extension. It's additional. So these are not a grade, but I would love to see what they're working on. These are really great Friday activities. Again, if you have any questions, please send me a message, either email or Dojo, and I will get back to you as soon as I can.